We received this model from a company that is doing awards or trophies for Rolls-Royce, and this model was as a reference to the new jet engine brand model that they needed, which was Trent 900 by Rolls-Royce. This particular model is done by FDM technology in probably PLA material, and this is functional, so you can literally move the jet engine. So we found out some Google images and 3D files from internet for Rolls-Royce Trent 900, and we have made this in SLA material, so depicting similar jet engine. And now they want 200 pieces of this. You can see the precision.